When a State Assist creates pleadings, it's pulling the most current data that you've been entering in all the different parts of the software, and it pulls that most current data and populates it into the necessary document that you asked for. So for example, if we go to our pleadings screen and click on our 2.0, it immediately checks and pulls all the data from the different databases to fill in your case information, the fiduciaries, the attorney, the decedent information, and so on. And it does so using the state's and local form PDFs with fillable fields. One of the nice things about this is if you open it and you want to make just a real quick change on the fly, you have the ability to. These are still editable fields. But of course, if you go back into the software and change the entered data, it will also update to these fields immediately. But when you do this and you create these with the editable fields still in place, you may not want to send that digitally to someone if you're sharing documents with somebody else, say a client or an interested party or anybody like that. You may not want it to be editable fields. And so you have a couple of options for how to deal with that. Probably the simplest is to use the print feature on your computer, but we're not actually going to print all these on paper. That'd be pretty wasteful and time consuming. But if you go to the print feature, your print icon, or if you have a drop-down menu for printing, you'll find a couple of options. I'm showing you right now in Google Chrome, which allows you to go to print, and it simply has save as PDF as an option. And so I'm going to do that. It'll bring up a place for me to go ahead and save that, and I will do that. And now that PDF looks like this. It is flattened. Those are no longer fillable fields. All that information is now part of a PDF that cannot be altered. If you do not have Google Chrome and you're using something like Microsoft Edge, the print feature will still be there, but you might need to select an option where your drop-down menu is for different printers in your office. You may have to select the option for Microsoft Print to PDF. But either way, it has the same effect. It allows you to save to a location, and you will then have a PDF that looks like this with no editable fields and ready for you to send off to whoever you might want.